It is so nice to see you. Did that sound sincere? Every time I'm trying to be sincere on YouTube, it just doesn't go through the camera. I need to work on that. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking at the five different types of pay on Doordash and how you can maximize each one. Some are augmentable, some are not, but let's dive right in. My leather jacket's going to make a bit of farty noises because leather chair, leather jacket, so I do apologize for that. If you hear something like that, it's not me, it's my jacket. It might be me. But anyways, let's dive right in. Method number one, or type of pay number one, is base pay. Everyone gets base pay. The moment you hit that dash button and do a delivery, you're guaranteed base pay. But base pay isn't always all that much. You might get like 4 miles for $4, or even less money or less dollars than miles traveled. So that's really not that nice. You can't augment this type of earnings, so you got to combine it with others to maximize your earnings per hour, essentially. So number one isn't augmentable, not amazing, but it is guaranteed. What is a type 2? Type 2 is a tips. So for most delivery services, tips are provided, especially in the food industry. So if you are a nice person and you're communicative, you're presentable, people usually will give you tips. They might even give you tips if they're just having a bad day, but at times when they're having if they're having a good day. At times if they're having a bad day and you're kind and you're communicative and you're presentable, they still might not give you tips, and that's completely fine. They don't have to, but it is nice when people give you tips. So type number 2 is semi-augmentable. If you're nice, people will give you tips more often. What is type of pay number 3? Type of pay number 3 is peak pay. So DoorDash has peak pay when it wants drivers to go out. So say for example, in the early mornings, Dashers don't want to go out because they want to sleep and they want to work with their own schedule. DoorDash implements a $2 peak pay, a $3 peak pay, $5 peak pay to incentivize Dashers to go out more, which allows them to earn more money and allows DoorDash to have workers out on the road. So peak pays can be augmentable. You just have to work with the app a little bit and go on the app schedule rather than your own. So I've already talked about these 3 types of pay, but there are 2 pretty recent ones. And the 4th one is, what is it? Miles traveled pay. Kind of forgot about that one for a second. So what is miles traveled pay? So when you hit that dash button and you're out delivering food, every mile you travel, you get a fixed amount of money. And for DoorDash, you get 30 cents per miles traveled, or per mile traveled. And this helps you with paying for gas and kind of helps you with oil changes as well. So gas is completely covered with miles traveled pay. And the final one is adjustment pay. So what is adjustment pay? Adjustment pay is the minimum amount you can earn per hour. So for DoorDash, you earn 120% of minimum wage. So this varies state by state. In California, minimum wage is roughly $12 an hour. So on DoorDash, you earn a minimum of $14 and I think it's 50 cents an hour. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below, but yeah, you are guaranteed $14.50 per hour on DoorDash, excluding tips. It includes peak pay and it includes base pay, but it excludes tips. So that's really quite nice. You can earn a little bit of money and you're guaranteed $14.50 every hour you work. But yeah guys, these are the 5 different types of pay on DoorDash. Try to combine all of them to maximize your earnings. If you combine 3 to 4, you will earn amazing amounts of money. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 if you get 3 or 4 of these at the same time. But I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video.